I am pleased to announce the launch of the Live Well Jamaica Grocery Grant Program. Trust me when I tell you, as a parent, I completely understand how frustrating and concerning it is to feed our families at this time, or try to feed our families at this time with reduced income. So we have partnered with registered nurse Teya Hamblett to offer, in its first stage, 5 families a grant of $20,000 each towards grocery shopping. If you want more information about this grant, please go ahead and like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will detail it all in terms of criteria for applying and also how you'll be able to obtain the grant. We do encourage you to apply, because as much as possible, Live Well Jamaica and its partners will work with you to help to go through and recover from this COVID-19 pandemic smoothly. Take good care of yourself, Jamaicans.